Welcome back to Beautyistic Beauties. Today, we're stepping into the world of at-home nail perfection with a kit that promises a salon-level gel manicure without leaving your living room. We're talking about the Olive & June Gel Mani System Set, a full package designed to make gel nails accessible, safe, and, hopefully, flawless. This all-in-one kit comes fully loaded. You get a nail file, buffer, clippers, the poppy tool for precise polish application, cuticle serum, a remover pot, a peel-off base coat, gel base and top coats, and a professional quality LED lamp. Everything is designed for a step-by-step 5-stage process: shape, prep, polish, cure, and hydrate. The formulation is 15-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and HEMA-free, aiming to give you long-lasting shine without the toxic chemicals often found in nail products. Now, putting it to the test in my own routine, I was impressed with how intuitive everything felt. The LED lamp is surprisingly quick, curing each layer in minutes, which is a huge plus if you're juggling busy mornings or evenings. The poppy tool is a game changer for polish control, helping to keep the edges clean without a second thought. The cuticle serum leaves nails feeling nourished, not sticky or oily. On the practical side, I found the peel-off base coat optional but useful, especially for those of us who like to change colors often. The gel itself delivers a high-shine finish that genuinely lasts, up to 21 days without chips, which is very comparable to a professional salon experience. A small drawback: beginners might need a couple of tries to master the curing times and layer thickness, but the instructions are clear and approachable. The pros here are plentiful: comprehensive kit, long-lasting gel formula, vegan and cruelty-free ingredients, and tools that feel professional quality. On the flip side, the LED lamp is on the compact side, great for storage, but might feel a little tight for larger hands. An initial setup can take a few extra minutes as you get used to the system. In terms of value, this kit is fairly priced, considering it includes everything you need, from prep to finish. When compared to individual salon visits or buying separate gel polishes and tools, it's a strong contender. If you're looking for alternatives on a smaller budget, there are simpler gel kits with fewer tools, but they often compromise on polish quality or lamp performance. The build quality is solid, the lamp feels sturdy, and all tools have a professional feel. The gel formula maintains its shine and integrity over several weeks, showing excellent longevity without any noticeable weakening. I didn't have to interact with customer service directly, but Olive & June has a strong reputation for support and handling inquiries. Overall, if you're someone who enjoys experimenting with colors, wants salon-level results at home, and cares about clean, safe ingredients, this kit is an excellent choice. It's beginner-friendly with a bit of practice and versatile enough for frequent use. If this review is helping you decide on your next at-home mani set, go ahead and like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so more beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this one. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, the link to purchase the Olive & June Gel Mani System Set is in the comments or description below. If you've already tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and share your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.